the Photo BW watch face. On this watch face you can upload your own photos, which is super cool, and they will appear on your watch in black and white. Why is it black and white? Well, first of all, it's just very nice to have black and white pictures. It has a nice retro look on it. It's an old school look. I think it's cool. You can also combine it very nicely with the colored rings. It's not always very nice to have some colors with color pictures. So that's the first reason. The second reason is because the older Garmin devices can't handle big data on the background events that handle the pictures that you upload on your watch. So that's another reason. The older devices have just a small limited amount of memory in the background events. The newer devices have bigger amounts of memory in the background events. So this watch face is actually most of all meant for the older Garmin devices because they can't handle colored pictures on the watch. So that's the reason why. If you have a newer Garmin device, then you can use the Photo Pro watch face. The Photo Pro watch face can actually handle the colored pictures. So I leave the links on the Photo Pro ones below. So if you want, you can use those as well. I'll now show you how this works. First of all, you have to download the watch face to your watch via the Connect IQ app on your phone. That's there. And then once it's installed, you'll see this. You'll receive a code to enter on the website. The website is also listed on the watch itself, so it's vaw.be/code. So now we have this code and let's enter that code on the website. It's for me, it's 510. Let's actually enter that. It's 515. Let's see again. RU9. This code is of course unique for everyone. For me, it's this one. For you, it will of course be another code. So make sure to enter your own code, of course. Let's submit that, and on here we can upload our pictures. Let's select a photo. I'll just do very weird and I'll upload myself on my watch. Voila, that's me. What a nice picture. Anyway, you can also zoom in and crop how you want it to be on your watch. Let's continue, and now it will upload. If this fails for you, then maybe you're uploading a picture that is too large. So what always helps is to make maybe a screenshot of the picture that you want to upload and then upload that screenshot. That's mostly better and mostly works. Okay, so now it says, okay, the picture is uploaded. It can take up to 5 minutes to appear on my watch. If it doesn't work, make sure to reboot your phone and your watch, and then it will probably sync. Okay, understood. And now I have my photo here. It's already shown in black and white. It looks very nice, I think. Anyway, let's see if it's already synced. No, not yet. Okay, there we go. It's already on my watch, and there we go. I have myself on my watch now. It's very beautiful. Okay, now you can also upload more photos. To do that, you'll need to purchase the Max license. On this license, it's just a one-time purchase of $4.99. I think it's not too heavily priced. You can upload up to 5 pictures for that. If you just want extra features, you'll need the Pro license. The default one, with the default free license, you can upload 1 picture for free, and you can have the most basic range of stats on your watch. So you can have steps, calories, heart rate, etc. If you want other stats like the body battery, then you need to purchase a Pro license. To download extra pictures on your watch, if you have the Max license, you always need to sync your watch. If you have a more recent device with a touchscreen, you can long press the current picture and on top will appear a small loader. Once this loader is finished, the new picture will appear. If you have an older device, you'll always need to dive into the on-device watch face customization. I'll quickly show you. Then you go here and then you will say customize. Then you will see the link code again. And if you then go back to the watch, you'll also see, there we go, you'll also see the loader again. So then you know it will load your new pictures. Something else you have to be aware of. If you have multiple pictures on your watch, you can long press the screen to change your picture, or they will change daily, which is also very nice. Okay, I think that's about it about the Photo W watch face. Please let me know what you think. I hope you like it. Make sure to follow me for more fun watch faces and videos about Garmin. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!